Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export a report from Pipedrive in just 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Pipedrive to grab a clean export of your report as a PNG or a PDF, and where to find the data table export if you prefer working with the numbers behind the chart. This is super useful whether you're preparing a presentation, sending updates to your team, or doing your own analysis. First, head to the Insight section on the left sidebar. This is your hub for all the visual and tabular reports you've set up in Pipedrive. Think of it as your reporting command center. Everything from sales performance charts to activity summaries lives here. Once you're in Insights, look to the left pane of your dashboard and click the specific report you want to export. Make sure to pick the report that already reflects the view you need, so the export matches exactly what you're seeing on screen. This helps avoid having to adjust the file after downloading. With the report open, focus on the graph area. On the graph of the report, click the Export button. A small menu will appear, giving you two file format choices. Here, you can select either PNG or PDF. Choose PNG if you want a crisp image that's perfect for embedding into slides, emails, or chat threads without needing any editing. For example, if you're including a sales chart in a weekly team presentation, PNG ensures it looks clean and sharp. Choose PDF if you want a document that preserves the layout for easy printing or sharing as is. This is particularly useful for sending official reports to stakeholders or managers who need a professional, ready-to-print version. PDF is often the safest bet to keep everything aligned exactly as you see it. After you click your preferred format, your browser will start the download. Keep an eye on your Downloads bar or your default Downloads folder so you can quickly locate the file. If you plan to store it long-term or share it later, it's a good idea to rename the file immediately with something clear, like the report name and date. This simple step makes it much easier to organize your files and quickly find the right report when you need it. Now, scroll down on the same report page below the graph. You'll find a table that lists the underlying report data. This view is helpful when you need to check the specific rows that feed the chart. Perfect for double-checking figures, understanding trends, or reconciling data. Here, you can also click Export at the top right. This gives you a straightforward way to take the table version with you. It's ideal if you need to review detailed entries, perform calculations, or analyze the data outside of Pipedrive in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. That's it. Go to Insights, open your report from the left pane or dashboard, export the graph as a PNG or PDF, then scroll down and use the export in the table's top right area if you need the data view. Simple, fast, and ready to share. Using these steps, you can quickly turn Pipedrive insights into shareable visuals or in-depth data sets without spending extra time formatting. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.